navigating competitors. Hay nako, sa ayaw at sa gusto natin, meron tayong competitors. And if you don't have any competitors, delikado. Ibig sabihin, baka the business is really not that good. Because if your business is good, competitors will smell it and they will come flocking to you. And the last point here, I'd like to emphasize is to continuously innovate. Dapat nauna ka parati. Ano bang mga bagong technologies dyan? Ano ba yung mga bagong products dyan? Adapt. Stay agile. Yung agile, listo ka parati. Dapat una ka. Una tayo sa pack. Hindi tayo yung tatanga-tanga dyan at chat GPT, gano'n. Pinag-uusapan na ng lahat, alam na ng lahat, hindi pa natin alam. We need to be in the know of what is happening. And therefore, we need to be responsive to any changes in the market. Now, I want you to regularly assess and improve your products. Tingnan natin yung ating products, yung ating services. Kumusta na sila? Ano yung ating proseso? Kumusta na sila compared to the others? Dapat meron tayo parating edge. Dapat parating nauna tayo. Implement all these tips para mag-grow ninyo yung ating business in this very, very competitive market.